Okay guys, here's my review about this light that I bought from Amazon previously. I liked it so much, I watched to see how it performed, and here's my honest review about this light. Now, you notice right there, there's the power switch. It's green when the battery is fully charged, and even when you turn it on, after that green light goes out, it'll stay that way for a while, and then when the battery runs low, it turns red. Now, what's really going on is, you see the light, it'll slowly, when you turn it on at first, which is the highest brightness, it slowly goes down little by little, little by little by little, and I don't like that. It's supposed to stay bright. I have lights that perform better than this stays bright. So, look at this carefully now. I'm gonna turn it off and on, and you're gonna see it come back at full brightness. Now it comes back at full brightness. But when you leave it on, it slowly goes down, as if you're, see the light, off, the light went off, turn it off again, off, on, see that green light? It stays on when the battery is fully charged. Light's fully bright, but then when the light goes out shortly, now, then the lights start to fade away slowly, and I don't like that because I have to turn it on and off all the time to get that full brightness. It's not good. So I give this light a 3-star. I wanted to give it a 5-star, but I'm a 3-star. Sorry guys. To the manufacturer, fix that problem.
This is the rechargeable magnetic flashlight. This thing is great. You've had this for a while now, and it's a great quality product. It's heavy and it just feels good. This right here, opening it, is super satisfying. There's a nice tension on it every time you click, so it's really nice. It flips all the way back like that. It goes all the way forward as well. There's 3 lights on it. You got this big, this is the brightest one. This is the medium, and this little light. This one is really bright. So when you're doing work or something, this is the one you want to do. Like if you're working on your car, or you're trying to, I don't know, you need something really bright. This is what it's for. This is mainly use this right here. And this is plenty bright. It's not going to be that, it's not going to look that bright because I'm indoors with the lights on, but this thing is crazy bright. And then you just hold the power down, and it has a dimming function, and it'll blink once it's at its lowest. This does it as well as this. And that's this one and that one. Yeah, this thing is great. The magnet's super strong, like I said. The battery lasts a while on this as well. I've only had to charge it like once. And the other thing that sold me on this and that I enjoy is that it's USB-C, so I can just take my phone charger or any other like regular USB-C and just charge it up and not have to get the little old USB mini charger in there. So I don't know, if you're on the fence about this, I say get it. It's really good quality, and yeah, I really like it.
Shuts off, and I'm going to go ahead and change the mode. So that's the full brightness. That is warm light, which is in the back. You can see there it's got really good light to it, even though it's the warm light. And then you click the next one, and that's the very tip, spotlight. Spotlight does pretty good, but you can definitely see with the major brightness right here, that is a lot of light. And with the good big fat battery it's got, it's a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. You can definitely get a lot of power with it. It's got a port to do charging like your cell phone, but I would only use it for a work light. And it's got a really good functionality of folding. So you can just fold it like so and place it on a mirror, or I'm sorry, like a metal object or a car, and you can definitely keep the light in the areas that you want it to go onto. But I really wanted to show it because this customer service that the company has is really, really good. I had an issue with one light. They took care of me, very, very fast shipping. So I definitely wanted to show you guys how bright this light is, because it's definitely worth it. And I'm gonna buy another one just because I want 2 lights.
I think it's the perfect size. It folds up nicely too. The light's very bright. The thing I like about it the most is it's C chargeable, so USB-C, so the light's extremely strong. The little light in the back is perfect if you want more of a warm light. And then there's the end light, which works up quite nicely. Light on the handle tells you if it's charged or needs to be charged. And you can turn it, rotate it. Well, what I like is the fact that you can fold it all the way down with the second pivot point. So yeah, for the price and the magnetic base, it's awesome.
So it works when it's plugged in, but when you unplug the wire, it won't hold the charge. I don't know what it is. Could just be a loose connection, but either way it doesn't work.